We are at Vikroli 247 Embassy, where you can see the watermark on glass surface. The white patch is going to display on glass. Now we had done nano coating on and cleaning of this surface. You can easily visualize the cleaning and nano coating will make glass self cleaning. The dust particle and watermark are not going to accumulate on the glass surface. You can see here the visibility is very low and very bad white marks are watermarks are there on glass, but after cleaning you can see it is a mirror finish. Mirror reflection is there, and all the watermark we had removed. You can see the multiple watermark on whole glass system. So we are here with specialized chemical for cleaning of your facade and making it hydrophobic using our specialized hydrophobic liquid, which can make your glass surface repel to any stain. We had done small white patch. You can easily see the difference. This left portion is you can see is clean and hydrophobic, and right portion is unclean and not coated. Now I can show you demo what is the effect of. You can see the water particle uncoated surface will stick to the surface, but when we pour water on hydrophobic surface it will be slide down. So this is a main benefit of hydrophobic coating. You can see the water particle are going to stick on the surface and it will be accumulate on glass surface. You can easily see, but when we pour water on hydrophobic surface, you can see water easily seep down, and it make your glass facade self cleaning property. And after that only wipe is required to remove the particles. So this is a very good service for you. If you had any watermark or other problem on your glass facade, you can contact us on 9152 917282. Thank you.